Above the presets section are preset filters, and by engaging these filters you can filter out or block certain groups of parameters from that preset at the time it's being recalled. So here's preset 1, and if we recall that by clicking it, we can see all the targets jump to those recorded positions, and we see that it's in time mode and all the way up. Let me clear all here, and this time when I recall preset 1, I'm going to engage the block selects, which means the select information is going to be ignored when we recall preset 1. This is a nice filter, so if you wanted to apply axis 3 information to axis 3, but you do not want to mess up anything you've got going in axis 1, 2, or 4, you can manually select axis 3, block the select information from the preset, and then recall it, and axis 3 is the only axis that responded to that recalled preset. Let me clear all and do something different. Now let's block the target information. So let's say we wanted the time and the time mode and the select information from the preset, but actually want to ignore the target itself. By blocking the targets, recall the preset, and you can see that everything was selected, the time mode and the time was recalled, but the targets have not moved. There's no delta. And then finally, we'll clear all again. This time we're going to block the speed information. So let's manually go to speed mode, put our fader, we have to have a delta before that will work. Let's put our slider at like 1/3. And now we're going to recall preset 1 again, but this time by blocking the speed information. Recall the preset. We can see that all the targets have been recalled. The selects have been engaged, but the speed mode was left completely alone, exactly where we had it set, including the mode that we had selected. So by using these different filters, you can apply the information from presets to targets in a variety of different ways, and it's a way to use them as data storage with lots of information in them, but only bring back pieces of that information if you need to. This latch key will latch any of the blocks you've selected even after the preset is selected. You can see now that by blocking something and recalling the preset, the block releases itself after the preset is recalled. However, if the latch is engaged, then engaging the block, recalling the preset, and the filter persists. And that's for establishing a screen to screen out data, and you want that to persist, and essentially you're turning the presets into filtered recalls. By latching a block speed, our presets will move our targets around, but our speed, as long as it's within valid range of those axes, will never change. By latching a block target, we can recall speeds and speed modes and selects without ever changing the target. And then by latching block select, we can apply that axis target and speed information in the preset to only the axes we've manually selected. So these can be powerful tools for turning presets into recallable groups of parameters while leaving other axes as you intended manually.